Deep inside the cave of Altamira, where shadows danced and whispered, lived a young bear cub named Bison. Unlike other cubs, Bison was curious about everything, especially the heart of the cave where the ancient bison paintings adorned the walls. These paintings were no ordinary pictures. They held the spirit of the herd, a lively magic that made the cave glow with life. But one day, Bison noticed something terribly wrong. The once vibrant paintings were fading, their colors slipping quietly back into the rock. The spirit of the herd seemed to be sleeping too deeply, and the cave was growing dim. Concerned, Bison listened carefully and soon heard an ancient echo bouncing through the cavern. The echo spoke in a wise voice. To awaken the spirit, you must find the 3 original pigments the first artists used. The red ochre of earth, the black charcoal of fire, and the white calcite of water. Only then, tracing the painting's outlines, can their magic be restored. Bison's heart pounded with excitement and a bit of fear. The cave was vast and full of secret passages. The young cub knew this would be a journey into the deepest, most hidden parts of Altamira. Gathering his courage, Bison began to explore. First, he searched for the red ochre of earth. Dug from the rich soil near the cave's entrance, it was a powder as red as the setting sun. Carefully, Bison found a patch of ochre, bright and earthy, perfect to bring color back to the ancient bison. Next, Bison ventured into the fiery chambers where old fires once burned. Here, among the blackened stones, he found the black charcoal of fire, a piece of burnt wood still rich with deep, smoky black. This would bring shadows and shape to the paintings. Finally, Bison took a daring path toward the damp, cool water chambers tucked deep inside the cave. Here, shining softly under the dim light, lay the white calcite of water, gleaming like tiny stars, ready to add brightness and light. With all 3 pigments in his paws, Bison returned to the heart of the cave. Carefully tracing the outlines of the fading bison paintings with the red ochre, black charcoal, and white calcite, he watched as color blossom back to life. The paintings brightened and shimmered, and the spirit of the herd awoke, filling the cave with warmth and magic once more. Bison, proud and joyful, knew he had saved an incredible piece of history. And from that day on, the cave sang with the spirit of the herd, alive and strong in the heart of Altamira. Did you know the paintings in the cave of Altamira are over 14,000 years old from the Stone Age? They are so vivid and skillfully made that when they were first discovered, people thought they were surprised fakes. The early artists used natural minerals like ochre and charcoal to create their vibrant paints. Today, to protect these ancient treasures, the cave is closed to the public, but you can visit an exact replica nearby and see the magic for yourself. Bison, proud and joyful, knew he had saved an incredible piece of history.